Hi everyone. If your iPad is stuck in guided access, don't worry. Here are a few simple ways to fix it. So, your iPad might be stuck for a few reasons, but the solution is usually easy. First, try the regular way to exit, like triple click either the home button or the power button depending on your iPad model, and you should be asked for your passcode. If that works, great. If not, let's move on. If the triple clicking does not work, force restart your iPad. For older iPads, hold down the power button and the home button until the Apple logo appears. And for newer models, you can hold the power button and the volume down button. And after restarting, triple click the button again and enter your passcode to exit the guided access. If your iPad is still stuck, use another device like your phone, like your iPhone or Mac to remotely disable the guided access. Open the Find My app and turn off the guided access over there. And if your iPad is still stuck, you can use other device like your iPhone or Mac to remotely disable the guided access. You can open the Find My app, select your iPad, and turn off the guided access there. As a last resort, connect your iPad to a computer and use iTunes or Finder to update or restore it. Back up your data first to avoid losing anything important. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.